We also call this Tsoureki. It's a Greek tradition. Don't worry about writing down all the ingredients. I'm going to have those listed for you in the description. Right here, you can just sit back and enjoy and watch as my dad makes this fantastic sweet bread. Adding in the milk, I'm adding in 1 bottle of that anise, and there goes our yeast mixture. For the flour, we've sifted it first, and we're adding it in basically 1 scoop at a time until it's well mixed, and then we're just going to leave our mix master do the rest of the work. The towel, it's going to make 6 massive loaves of bread. And yes, you can certainly wrap these up and freeze them. Now pay attention here as my dad is rolling these out. Starts rolling out from the center all the way out to the exterior of those strands. To make the best bread braid possible, we need 3 separate pieces for each loaf. Look at this. Technique, years of experience paying off right here. When you're completing that braid, make sure everything is packed nice and firmly, but not overly tight. You don't want to be stretching out that dough. At the bottom here, finish it off with a nice little tuck and roll and just a nice little press. Everything's nice and firm. We finish it off by brushing it with egg wash. It's going to give that bread that nice shine and sheen. And of course, top it off with some sesame seeds. And a recipe.
Cut into this loaf, Tsoureki. Check it out inside. You want some?